क्लबाक उजो लागपाचे प्रकरणात आदींच सस्पेंड केल्ले तेन्नाचे पंचायत संचालक सिद्धी हळर्णकर आनी गोंय प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाची वांगडी सचीव शामिला मोंतेरो हांकां आफोन हाडून तांची चवकशी केल्या. हडफड्या पंचायत सचिवाकूय चवकशेक आपयला. तशेंच थायलंडाक पळ काडिल्ल्या गौरव आनी सौरव लुथरा हांचे आड इंटरपोल ब्लू कॉर्नर नोटीस काडल्या. ह्या दोगांकूय धरपा खातीर गोंय पुलीस इंटरपोलाच्या संपर्कांत आसा म्हूण DIG सांगता.
We have arrested till now 5 people. All are from the management of the nightclub. And regarding the owners and the partners of the concerned nightclub, we have opened the NOCs and the blue corner notice and coordination with CBI and Interpol is also going on. The two officers the deputy director and the lady, those we.
Madam, you
didn't turn up despite of issuing notice. So any further action of the
Yes, we'll give him another opportunity to join and then we'll see what happens.
This secretary has not turned up.
Secretary has not come?
Secretary has not turned up.
No.
No, he's not.
Secretary.
There was one partner with the Luthra brothers called Ajay Gupta.
Yes.
Has he been called?
He is one of our accused. We are after him. And we've opened his LOC also. We've issued warrants against all three of them.
हडफड्या बर्चबाय रोमियो लेन नायट क्लबाक उजो लागून 25 जाणांक मरण आयिल्लें. ते संबंदीत हायकोर्टान जनहीत याचिका दाखल केल्ली. न्यायालयाचे देखरेखी खाला स्पेशल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन टीम नेमून ती चवकशी करपाची म्हूण मागणी केल्ली. बेकायदेशीर बांदकाम परवानो नासतना क्लब चलोवप तशेंच सरकारी अधिकाऱ्यांची क्लबाक दिल्ले परवाने ह्या सगळ्या गजालींचो तपास करचो म्हूण याचिकादार मागता.
Public interest litigations, the incident, the tragedy, fire tragedy which took place on 6th of December, the bridge by Romeo Lane. Basically, our main plea before in this PIL is that the judicial inquiry should be conducted and a retired judge of Honorable High Court should monitor the entire investigation considering the gravity of the matter, because there are day-to-day illegalities in this entire state of Goa where these illegal clubs, nightclubs are running without following the due process and without having a required license by the authorities. So it's a state machineries also failed to fulfill the or check the licenses of these illegal clubs, and because of that such tragedies have happened.
When is the hearing?
The matter is mentioned on 16th, so it will be coming on 16th of December this month.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.